Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2021 Mitsubishi Mirage G4? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box protects key engine and electrical systems by housing fuses and relays. It prevents damage by breaking the circuit if there's an overload or short. This ensures safe operation of components like the ignition, fuel system, and cooling fans. Fuse box B protects vital circuits like ignition, lights, and starter. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box is located under the dashboard, usually on the driver's side. It protects interior systems such as the audio unit, cabin light, power windows, and climate control. This box helps prevent damage from electrical overload or shorts.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.